guys, I hope you've all been doing well. We're actually going to review matter again. So today we're going to talk about the 3 states of matter, what we also talked about last time in our last video. So here we have the 3 states of matter. We have our solid, our liquid, and our gas. So let's review the properties of these objects. So this is a solid, and it has a definite amount of space. This is a liquid, and it can adapt to its shape. So let's take a look. I'm gonna open the bottle. So this bottle has a definite amount of shape. It has a certain amount of space. However, when we pour it into this cup, the water can adapt to the space. So this has a different volume than this. However, the water can adapt its shape, unlike the solid. The solid cannot. It cannot fit, but the water can. And lastly, we have our gas. The gas is actually inside the bag, and it does not have a definite shape. It takes up the space of the entire container or whatever it's in. Okay, so next we're going to talk about the changes of matter. There are 2 types, chemical changes and physical changes. So here we have a melting ice cube. This is an example of a physical change. This ice cube is a solid, and it is now turning into a liquid. Here we have a frozen ice cube. It was once a liquid, and now it has frozen into a solid. Okay, now we are going to talk about condensation. This is when a gas turns into a liquid. Now, it's hard to see, but the condensation on this water bottle is actually all around it. Watch. So, I'm actually removing the condensation. The gas turns into a liquid, and this is an example of condensation. And our last physical change is when a water turns into a gas. As you can see, the water in the pan is heating up, and that is converting it into a gas. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to show you an example of a chemical change, which will be a piece of paper burning and converting to smoke in my bonfire. So as you can see, the piece of paper is burning and it is chemically converting into smoke. Now, it's kind of windy outside, so it was hard to see, but this is an example of a chemical change.